Hi everybody, it's John here, Tameside Handyman. So this service is for an inline extractor fan, also known as a loft mounted fan. This is where you don't actually have the fan in your bathroom on show. You will have a vent, a grille basically on your ceiling, but that's not actually the fan. Sometimes the grille will have a light in it. That is a separate unit, just to let you know, from the actual extractor fan. Now, these extractor fans are ordered on a per customer basis. So basically, I do not carry this item in stock. I order it online from one of my suppliers, and I do that because it's the cheapest option. So I will require a minimum of 2 full working days notice. So Saturday and Sunday are not working days. So it needs to be 2 full working days notice before you place your booking, or before I can come out to do the job. Ideally, if you could possibly send me a photograph of your current fan which will be located in your loft, that would be very much appreciated. It's just for clarity and access. If you've got any questions, doubts, queries about this service or product, please email me first. Thank you very much.